Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now, Invincible by name and invincible by nature, the Toyota Hilux has the reputation of tackling every kind of terrain. In fact, it's the world's toughest icon since 1968. That's the Toyota Hilux. And ours, the year is 2013. It's a 63 plate Toyota Hilux Invincible D4-D 4x4 3 litre turbo diesel. It's a 5-speed automatic, it's a double cab, and it's a pickup with a Truckman body. Come and take a look. The bodywork is in fantastic condition. Chrome work is excellent. In the front, we've got extra driving lights, beautiful clear headlights, front parking sensors, if we look to the side, the vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, which are Toyota alloy wheels, and it has all-terrain tyres fitted. On the doors, we have the side repeater indicators built into the door mirrors. Around the door handles we have bright work, beautiful chrome. Let's have a look inside. On the doors, the door cards, great condition. Now, in my experience, 4x4s, or utility vehicles some people call them, tend to have a very hard life. This one is excellent. Beautiful soft leather. We've got electric windows front and rear. If we look inside, we've got folding mirrors, multifunction steering wheel. We have a dog barking, but we'll ignore that. It has colour satellite navigation, cruise control, radio, CD player, switchable 4x4, high and low, and also two-wheel drive as well. And the reason why I say this vehicle is incredible is because the condition of the leather. Okay, it's a commercial vehicle, but I don't think anyone has really sat in this. The leather work is excellent. If we look to the rear, we've got side steps, running boards, all the way down the side. In fact, even on the door sill, there's no marks, there's no scuffs. Let's look in the rear. Again, this hasn't had a hard life. This vehicle's been loved, it's been cherished. In its life, it's had 3 owners. 2 of them, the vehicle has had private plates on it. It's a proper 3-seater rear seat. Again, the sills extremely clean, the door cards great condition. If we close that, in fact, while we're on this side, let's look down the body line. It's a commercial vehicle. Has it got any bumps or bangs? No, it hasn't. Look all the way down that body line. It looks like a new vehicle. All the wheels are in good condition. They haven't been refurbished. This is as they are from new. I don't think it's ever bounced over a curb in its life. It has DF Goodrich all-terrain tyres, as you can see, and the tread depth, they virtually look like new. The Truckman body type on the rear is in good condition. We have a flatbed tailgate which opens up, as you can see. The load area again is in very good condition. It has a plastic load liner, or sprayed on plastic load liner, which again I don't think has really been used all that much. There are one or two slight dust marks on there, but there's nothing abrasive that's been on there at all. If we put the tailgate back up again, it has a rear camera, it's got rear parking sensors, it's even got a tow bar. If we stand back and just look at it for a minute, you can see it's in beautiful condition. On the roof, on the Truckman body, there are bars, so you can also put on a roof box should you require to do so. And again, if any of the wheels are going to get damaged, it'll always be the near side. This is the side that people bounce up and down curbs. You know, just take a close look at that. There's no damage at all. Again, the tread depth, they look like brand new tyres. The fuel filler cap is on the passenger side. And while we're on this side, let's have a look in the rear again. Yeah. The door cards, no damage. You'd be surprised the amount of vehicles that we see that are just absolute wrecks. You know, this stands alone. This is a beautiful motor car. You know, if you're serious about looking for a vehicle of this quality, you need to pick up the phone and give me a call. You'd be very hard pressed to find another one. Even the mats have never been used. Now it's got full service history. Again, unique. You won't find many 4x4s that have got full service history. We're looking on the passenger side. The sills, great condition. I keep repeating myself, but I have to, because it's the only way to explain just how good this vehicle is. So just to summarise, just on the inside, we have CD player, colour satellite navigation, rear camera, front and rear parking sensors. We have 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low, and also 2-wheel drive high as well. Now all our vehicles come with a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you want to extend it, you can. Well, we're on this side. If we look down the body line, again, we're looking, you know, all the time I'm looking for faults, and I can't find anything. There's no dents. There's no bumps, there's no marks, there's no scratches. So pick up the phone and give me a call. Let's just stand back and see it from a distance again. Let's go around on the driver's side. If I didn't know it, I would say this was a new vehicle. It's that good. But you need to come and see it. It's got full service history. It's got everything going for it, so we look forward to hearing from you. My name is Jim from Getaroundcars, where cars cost less. You can call me on 07710 858066. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you for watching.